Good morning, Liam. Are we playing with our hands? Yeah? You're doing such a good job. Can you put them together? Good job. Good job, Liam. Good morning. You're getting used to those things, huh? Nice job. Yeah. You're a big boy. Good. Say hi. Say good morning. That was not the nice finger. That was not the nice finger. That's not what we say. That's not it. No. Wrong sign language.